What is up, peeps? Today I am in a completely new part of town. All you'll notice is this West Zone supermarket. I am in a place called the Dubai Science Park, one of the up-and-coming areas in Dubai. I don't know how my volume is. I'm wearing this mask because we still have to wear masks everywhere. And I'm heading into this awesome new restaurant that I've heard about for the longest time. It's gonna be super cool, and we're gonna have burgers today. If I had another burger tour, this would be on the burger tour, but this is not a burger tour. I'm just meeting my friends, having a burger, and just chilling. So check out where this place is. You're gonna love it. That is, I guess, the headquarters of Dubai Science Park. This is a school right here, a couple of hospitals over here. This is some sort of cool building that people live in. Looking for this restaurant, and if you're not careful, you could actually miss this restaurant. But here we go. Here it is. This is what it looks like from the outside. This restaurant right here is called Meysan 15, and they did this cool thing over here. That thing up on top, we call that the arish, and those are basically branches, not from this kind of tree, from a palm tree. But they've done this because this is like the outside area, and naturally when it's the summer it's super hot, and today it's actually hot. It's not super humid. Now we're not going to sit on the outside, we're going to sit on the inside. So I'm just going to walk you through and see what this looks like. Look at that, peeps. Super cool. Look at that. Got some traditional furniture, and then you've got some office looking furniture, and you've got like all sorts of really cool stuff. You pull the door, go out on the inside. Hello, how you doing? Look at that. Books and everything as well. So super cool. They got a mirror over there. It looks like it's a larger restaurant, but smaller. Got some books over here. Walk down here. This place is super cool, peeps. Just want you to see the first look. And here's my crew.
Hello.
What's up? How you guys doing?
We already ordered.
You ordered already?
Ordered everything on the menu.
Oh, fantastic. All right, awesome. That is great. So this is going to be super cool, peeps. Already ordered, and these guys are well known for their burgers. And we're in a restaurant. I can take this off now, so that's super cool. You can hear my volume a lot better. I'll show you guys what this is like right here. So the appetizers are here, and before you eat the burgers, we got these appetizers right here. This looks like, what is this, like smashed potatoes? Parmesan cheese.
It's burrata, tomato, pomegranate molasses, basil.
Oh wow, that sounds really nice. Get a little bit of this burrata.
You guys want to break the bread?
Yes, let's definitely break bread together.
Ooh, it's hot.
This is that fresh bread that you saw them cooking earlier, dipped into the burrata, leftovers, and all of that balsamic. I want a little bit of this. I want a little bit of this. So there we go.
Yes, the mashallah burger, and then
Mashallah burger.
the chicken.
Yummy.
How many burgers did we order?
8.
Whoa! Wow.
Meysan. These are all Meysan. Thank you.
Oh,
The mashallah one is the spicy one.
what's the sauce called?
It's called the mashallah sauce, and it's very spicy.
Oh wow. I'll take a half of this chicken right here. Look at this, peeps. Look at that thick, crispy chicken. You got, oh, this is the mashallah sauce. And mashallah, you've got these crispy, deep fried, battered onions. I can feel the crisp. You know when you get a sandwich like this, looks like potato bread, I can feel that, but I can feel the crisp in my fingers. Mashallah. And also a little bit of this sauce on top is really good. There's a spicy sauce, but not super spicy. Fantastic. Found something new, peeps. Found something new. Well, I don't know if it is new. I'm just saying that because the white sauce right here. onion, garlic. It's kind of Greekish a little bit. So we got Italian, we got Greek, we got this fried chicken, which is, where's fried chicken from? This is the beauty of a little restaurant like this. I love this table, guys. Well ordered. So these guys have been telling us about this spot for months, I think, right? We're finally here.
In pursuit of the ultimate burger.
Oh, man. That's the kind of thing that you end this vlog with. But there's no end in sight because Super Burgers. Oh, more burgers coming.
This is the Beyond.
The Beyond.
Beyond Burger over here.
Okay.
This is vegan.
Vegan, all the way on that side, the Beyond. And what is this beautiful masterpiece right there?
This is a Wagyu melt.
Wagyu melt. Oh my God.
The jalapeno.
Some jalapenos as well. Oh my God.
Chicken burger is amazing.
Oh, that is looking beautiful. All right, let's see.
Amazing.
Okay, which one are you having, Mubal?
This is the masala burger.
The mashallah burger. So it's basically
Mashallah.
normal burger, no cheese,
Yeah.
straight up with the mashallah sauce.
Yep.
Is it a mashallah after you take a bite?
It's extra masala. You guys have to try this.
Cheese alert! So is that the Beyond? So the meat is vegan meat, obviously, but there's got some cheese in there.
I love that there's not like a lot of things in it. There's
Okay.
just like the grilled onions.
And the bread.
Yeah.
Nice grilled onions. The sauce, the bread is so good.
Yeah. This is the one that I have. Peeps, take a look at this. Look how shiny that piece of bread is. That is a ton of butter. And look how crisp that is. That was on the griddle. Cheese just like melted all over it. Oh my God, look at that. It's time to have that. I cannot wait any longer. Oh man, this reminds me of one of the best grilled cheeses ever in the Burroughs Market in London, but it's got Wagyu beef in there. Oh my God, it's delicious. Alright, the spicy one, the spicy kick to it.
It's the worst thing to eat in front of camera.
Best thing to eat in front of camera right there.
Amazing burgers, honestly. One of the best in town.
Oh my God. So, you know we have the burger tour, right? I mean, people have seen the burger tour. We went to a bunch of burgers. They were predominantly on the beach road, so all in one go. And the link is up here if you want to watch the burger tour. But man, all right peeps, and now the burger, the beef, got half over here. Look at that. So it's got potato bun, melted cheese, crispy onions, and the mashallah sauce for a mashallah burger. Why am I saying mashallah like that?
That's what it's called.
Mashallah. Mashallah. Those crispy onions. Just that texture, right? It changes the entire game. That's really good. I mean, look at this, peeps. That bread was thicker. I just pressed down to take a bite, and look what happened to it. It turned into a pancake. Like that. Look at that. And, of course, there's some extra mashallah sauce as well. That's too good.
You know when they say good burger needs to have good chemistry and just kind of make sense together?
Like the chemistry of you and me together.
Aww.
Brownie points.
We are like this burger.
This is unreal. That's really good. One thing I gotta tell you about this place, peeps, you cannot get sodas over here. So the only thing you can do is get this sparkling water. It's the only thing that has a little bit of fizz in it. If you know you're like us and you want a Coke or 7-Up or something like that, the closest thing you got.
Can't get fries over here as well. So you get homemade chips with feta cheese and some type of spices on it.
You know what? No, let's get one of those chips. I gotta know which restaurant, if you're doubling down on not having fries, you gotta get the greatest chips ever. Because those potatoes ain't gonna cut it, but the chips could do it. You don't have fries. If you don't have something, if you don't put something on the menu, you better have a substitute that's gonna kick its... I can't say the word.
That's the Maison burger.
This is the Maison.
Oh, the Maison burger is the one that has the double patty. Can I have that bite? I'll take hers. Oh, yum. That's so good.
it's a bunch of people that own this restaurant. They had a place in Dubai Design District that was a coffee shop slash library slash department store. That closed down. They opened this gem of a spot right here, and we are enjoying the fruits of their labor.
Amazing. Yeah. The rest is history. It is amazing. Still having burgers over there. Alright peeps, I am not done yet. This is probably, like when you put it all together, it's probably like my third burger, but it is super good. They put in a ton of this sauce. Oh, is this the Beyond?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You mind?
No, I'm done.
You sure?
Yeah.
I've actually never had the Beyond Burger before.
No way. Kind of like the real deal.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like it. I mean, it's got a ton of cheese on it. You know, it's got sauce on it. I'm actually now like, I'm like here. Yeah.
That's how you chew.
Yeah, but what's better than chewing food is chewing drink.
I always tell him when he drinks, he chews.
Actually, water is the only thing I don't chew. Every other drink you have to chew.
Why?
It's just a thing. This
Last one standing.
is you and me, my man. Oh, yeah.
Cheers.
My man. Man, look at that. It's like dripping all down. Pepto-Bismol all night tonight. We did well. You guys did well. Thanks for supporting us and eating one burger.
My favorites are the chicken, what's it called? Zinger?
Oh, it's actually called the Zinger? Oh,
And
okay.
mashallah burger.
So there was always obviously the Zinger from KFC, and then there's the Zinger from
KFC.
Cafeteria. I'll put it there. Now we got another Zinger in the house, a new sheriff in town.
So mashallah.
That's not a good look. Are you okay?
It's so fun. But I'm waiting for the chips.
All right, waiting for the chips.
You know?
What is it called?
Chili feta lime chips.
Chili feta lime chips. Woo!
This is the fries alternative.
There's the fries alternative. Listen, yeah, you gotta try it at least to say, oh, there's a bunch of feta on there, huh? All right, guys, tell me what you guys think. What do you
Very
think?
different.
Very different?
Because they're so light.
These are deep fried, I mean, for sure, right? It's still kind of shiny
Yeah.
with the oil, right? It was. It's got feta on top. It's got some spices on top, whatever that is, and little pieces as well. So, tell you what, try those little smashed potatoes.
Yeah.
But it's the same size potatoes, just sliced super thin, deep fried, just simple.
It's good.
Good. Yeah.
Not a fries replacement.
Yeah.
But it would do.
We get it, and we love the brand. You guys are doing a tremendous job. We're super happy. Oh, we are having dessert?
No?
All right, I was just gonna say goodbye and, you know, like, share, subscribe, all that stuff, but we'll leave that for later after dessert. So hang in there because there's more food coming.
So we have the churros, the crunchy churros, and then we have the almond burrata and the orange blossom fondant, and then we have a new salad. It's a fruit salad, and then we also have a cookie sando with vanilla ice cream.
Wow, cookie sandwich.
That's
Listen, I mean, we definitely don't look like the type that would order the fruit salad.
But
That's for sure.
But it's really nice.
Yeah?
It's really nice.
One sando and one churro.
Yeah.
Chocolate and then chocolate caramel.
Salted caramel, though.
Salted caramel. Do you have a bed for me to sleep here? Like right after this?
All your time.
Alright, everything is here, the dessert. So this right here, so that looks like vanilla ice cream that has been rolled in pistachio. We got these cookies over here, which look like they've got. This is my hand model as well. There you go.
Oh, damn. Look at that. It jiggles.
Good?
Really good.
Yeah?
It's so fluffy. It's so fluffy, I'm gonna die. fluffy and crunchy on the outside.
Ribad, it's all you.
I'm
man.
eyeing this.
Oh yeah?
I'm eyeing whatever
All right,
this
dude,
is.
how do we do it? That's the
I have
question.
no idea. There's a big knife.
This is where hospitality training comes.
Oh.
It was actually super cool. By the way, I saw them. They scooped the ice cream. They scooped it into round. And then after they scooped it into round, they put it back into the ice cream tub. With the top, they pushed it down and it turned it into this roundish, patty-ish type thing. And oh yeah, it looks super. All right, there we go, sandwich. So
And you need a cookie as well.
yeah, you must. Just like we had a burger with patties, we're now having a cookie
have those,
burger with vanilla and pistachio ice cream. So here we go. Buttery like crazy. We got some good salt on that cookie as well. Oh man, it's like a chocolate chip cookie. Ton of chocolate. Got vanilla ice cream. It's just pure goodness. Alright, everybody want one of these? Oh, it's super hot.
Yeah.
Where's the chocolate sauce?
There, man.
It's salted caramel, I think.
Oh, salted. Oh, yeah. Ooh, oh, man. Whoa. That is a beautiful tang.
It melts in your mouth.
You need to eat it yourself.
Oh, my God. The inside is like super gooey.
But you're gonna need to take the
It does. Hey, you're actually right. It does actually melt. Oh, man. Wow.
If you were to guess how many calories we're just consuming,
Oh, my God. Ask the two gym people over here. How many calories do you think?
I don't know.
Like
Just
if-
on top of
what?
my mind, let's say a burger. Each burger is like 550 calories. Let's say
So we probably, so each one of us smashed about 4,000
more or
calories,
less.
right?
Yeah, I'd say more or less.
calories.
3,000 to 3,500.
I don't count calories either.
So this is 2 days worth of calories.
Oh my God. Wait, 1 day and a half worth of your,
No,
it's all the same,
for
right? Yeah, yeah.
An average
person.
Yeah.
That was crazy,
But
but.
don't mind if I get me
Oh,
some
go
more
for it,
calories.
go for it. Worth it, for sure. Get me one of these, and I'm gonna take a full one of these right here. This is just like too good. Oh man. That's done so well. I'm super impressed. Ahlam and I had churros the last time we were in San Diego in California, and I swear to God, all due respect to San Diego, California, these churros are a lot better. You had this before, right? You haven't?
What? No.
Yeah, I swear to God.
It's
Never
a
had
good one to
churros.
start.
Yeah.
Perfect time to try churros on the Paymon Al Awadi vlog. That's what we like to do. We like to get people to try new things over here. And this is it, peeps. This has been an amazing meal. My God, you heard it. 3,000 to 4,000 calories today. Enough calories for the next 2 days. So we're actually not gonna eat anything over the next 2 days. Well worth it. Super awesome spot in the middle of somewhere you would never imagine. What a meal. This is beautiful. I've got to thank Ribal for bringing us over here, and the food is just unreal. Now, I'm gonna let you guys say goodbye to everybody over here, but before I do that, make sure to like, share, subscribe, write us some comments, and keep watching these vlogs. I love you guys. Peace out. Here's the last word from everybody here. Thank you so much for introducing us to this awesome place. Thank you for eating with us, and thank you for always looking amazing on the vlogs. Peace out, peeps.